Hi guys, so today I'm here at the swimming pool and here's my mom and baby and I don't know. And here's my mom and my daddy is registering. And here's my auntie named EJ and he's on crop top because she's Beanie. And there's my uncle named Ralph. So we're gonna, because it's my birthday today. Wish me a happy birthday. And wish me happy birthday in the comment. And we are waiting here because we're going to swim because it's my birthday today. Wish me happy birthday in the comments. And by the way, my birthday is May 20, 2015. And and here's my mommy and my daddy and I sit there and this is so happy. What is this? What in the world is this?
Libre na kayo kasi. Ate, yung kuya chicken. Sabi ko, yan na lang ko yan.
And there's where I going to picture and and it have internet here, but I don't have internet. And here's my cake. And here's the cake. Why is the word is lying here? Here's the cake. It looks. Tayo ano yan? Naglilinis pa siya doon? And Beanie EJ is always chatting. And hello guys, wish me a happy birthday in the comments because it's my birthday today. And you're my family, you're my parents. Teka. Wait, I'll ask my mommy first. May dala kang bracelet? May dala kang bracelet? Yung pang sa Bond Spirit? May nag-janitor pa ba doon? Baka meron pang janitor doon.
Yung baso yata dito yung kapit.
Hindi naman ako janitor, di ba? I'm gonna copy her. Copycat. And the who lives in Philippines, wish me a happy birthday in the comment. Don't worry, in our countries, and like Indonesia or Japan, Korean, wish me happy birthday in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe and so there is cleaning. We will go at 2. Wait, I'll ask my mom first. 2 ano ba? 2 a.m. o p.m.? At 2 p.m. we will go there. So, for swimming. And I bring the toy named Bushy Plastic and Lion. The lion. And I will reveal it at my vlog later. And I will reveal it at part 2. But sorry, I can't reveal it today. I'll reveal it only at part 2. If I don't reveal at part 2, no, that's okay. We're here. Wait, where is that? It's like a maid. Oh my god. And no. Nakakala niya si Bossy Plastic. I-reveal ko kasi nag-vlog ako eh. Asa si Bossy Plastic? I-reveal ko kasi nag-vlog ako eh. Nakupo. Saan? Wala yun? Wala si Bossy. Kamay and kitro, kamay and kitro, kamay, kitro. I'm gonna. And here is Bossy Plastic. Oh, lakit ko dyan para hindi mawala agad. Kala mo, ano? Siya nga pala nagla-live vlog ako. I'm gonna tanggal my chinelas first. I'm gonna take off my slippers first. Oopsie, bawal. Wait. What is this? So, here and like and subscribe for part 2 and don't forget to wish me a happy birthday in the comments. Bye guys.